Welcome back, and in today's video we're going to talk about how to remove bird bombs off your car's paint. I have a nice big fat one right here, and I'm going to show you how to remove it with two things we have in your kitchen right now. Just so you know, everything I'm using will be linked in the description below. If you have any questions, be sure to ask. Happy to answer them for you, and let's get into it. So I've left this bird bomb here on purpose to do this video. It's been there for a couple of days now, so it's very, very dry. Now, ideally, you want to remove bird bombs off your car's paint as soon as humanly possible, either spraying off with your hose. If you have a pressure washer, you can, from a distance spray it down and get it off. And then here's what we're going to show you how to do is by using a bottle of water. I know most of you have these, and I'm pretty darn sure you all have a roll of paper towels. So what you're going to want to do is, it's really straightforward, is you're going to want to lay this paper towel over the bird bomb, especially if it's dry, and we're going to moisten it because we need to make the bird bomb soft again to make it easier to remove up off your paint safely. Because remember, in a bird bomb are dirt, seed, sand, grit in the bird bomb besides the overall moisture. And we don't want to just rub it off, which I've seen a lot of people do, and it's very painful to see. We want to lift it off, right? We're not going to rub it off. So let me just put the paper towel on top of the bird bomb, and we're going to open up our water, and we're just going to douse it. We're just going to get it really, really wet. Don't be shy. Okay, get it wet. I'm just going to leave it there, and I'm just going to pat it down, right? So let me just zoom in on here for you so you can see. Is the paper towel is nice and wet now. The bird bomb is clearly right there. It's a big one. And we're just gonna add a little bit more water just to make sure it is saturated. Now, what you're gonna wanna do on the bird bomb is, again, just give it some time to let it soften, and then we're going to bring it up. We're not gonna rub it out, okay? And let me show you on another paper towel how to do that. There goes the cap. And let's just use that as an example. We're going to just pretend there's a bird bomb there. And instead of just wiping it off, which is what we don't want to do because you end up dragging the bird bomb off with all this contaminants onto your paint, what you're going to do is take your fingers like this, and you're going to want to basically pinch it up off the paint, if that makes sense, right? So we're just going to, let's pretend this spot here is the bird bomb, right? We're going to just surround it with our fingertips, and we're going to draw in the paper towel and slowly bring it up without too much pressure, as much of the contamination as possible, just like this. And in theory, you're going to be able to capture some of that bird bomb like that, right? So let's go to the actual bird bomb. It's been here for like 30 seconds. You might want to go a little bit longer than 30 seconds. Oh, don't forget to do this in the shade, out of direct sunlight, because we don't want it to dry out. So we're going to add a little bit more water to that. A little bit more water, it's not going to hurt. And let's take a look here. I'm just going to take my fingers and pinch in and pull up, right? So I'm going to come in. I can start to feel it and gather the paper towel. And there it is. That's how much is left. That little bit there is probably still dry from the original bird bomb. So what I'm going to do is I'll take my clean paper towel, right? I'm going to take my clean paper towel, and we're going to just give it a little pat. Give it a little bit of extra water, like that, just a little bit. Keep it wet, keep it moist, and give it another 30 seconds to a minute. But I think you're getting the idea, right? And it's right there. We're going to draw it down. We're just going to slowly pinch it in and pull up, right? And still a little bit there. Yeah, that's definitely dry. So we're gonna leave that one there for another moment. However, you get the idea with the bird bomb in this method, using just water and a paper towel and just being very gentle with it and letting it soak and kind of reconstitute it from the dryness of the bird bomb. And we're gonna slowly just bring it up, and there you go. That's gonna be the easiest way you're gonna be able to get rid of a bird bomb if it's dried out on your car's paint. Do it out of the sun, do it in the shade, do it in the garage. Don't do it on hot panel. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know. In the description below, like I said, will be all the products I've used in this scenario, and other products you might want to use if you want to go a little bit deeper and use either rinseless wash, if you've heard of it before, or if you want to use a detail spray. Both of those will add a ton of lubricity versus just water. However, if you're just at home and you don't have that stuff, bottled water and a paper towel will work just great. Be sure to subscribe. Be happy to help you, and check a look at the other videos that YouTube is going to suggest to you. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.